Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you a mask made out of a superfood that's not only amazing for your skin when you eat it, but is also great when you put on your face. This is a very cooling mask made with cold chia seeds that help plump up your skin pre-makeup or even as a night remedy before you go to bed. So stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, so let's get started. I have my blender here. I have some aloe vera gel, about a teaspoon. I have chia seeds soaked in cold water for 10 minutes. So it's 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with 3 to 4 tablespoons of water. And it should look like this, like slimy mass, like a slimy mass. I'm chucking that into the blender. Now I'm going to be adding about a teaspoon of honey. And I'm going to blend it. It's not going to become completely smooth, but I mean it'll be like more like goopy, more slimy. It'll still have some granules, but this is how it should look like. Let's get started. I have just come out of the shower and I'm going to use this very cooling mask, cooling and hydrating mask pre-makeup. So I'm going to be applying makeup after this on my face. So I want to use it like a very hydrating mask of sorts, just similar to a sheet mask. It's very, very cold and it's it's actually funny. My reaction was like, it's like super cold. It's going to act like a cold sheet mask. You know, the kinds with the liquid inside them, hydrating liquid inside them. It's going to act like that. It's like very cold, very hydrating, perfect pre-makeup. Chia seeds are amazing for your skin. They are very rich in protein, antioxidants and omega-3 fats. They are going to play an active role in moisturizing and hydrating your skin. The aloe vera gel is also very hydrating, cooling, and it brightens up your skin instantly. Honey again, moisturizing and full of nutrition. So it's basically like feeding your skin right before makeup. Your pores are going to absorb this liquid and just get like super hydrated before you put your primer and everything on top. If you have oily skin, you don't even need to use a moisturizer after applying this mask and washing it off. And I'm done. Okay guys, so after washing my face, here is the final result. It's so soft. I'll up close and show you. So soft. So I have hair on my face. But it's so soft, so soft, so soft. Soft and like very hydrated. Feels exactly like applying a sheet mask and sitting for like 20 minutes. Instead, just do this now. It's much easier. Feeling is like very nice. I can see a very big difference in my face texture. And also dark circles and puffiness is going to be like reduced because it's cooling, right? So it's getting absorbed and like removing the puffiness, relaxing the under eye skin. Yeah, so it's amazing. Okay, that was it guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.